Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You already have keywords, so start now. Open your CMS and pick the page you want to optimize. Once the page loads, activate the one-click meta tool or SEO plugin. This links fields automatically. Next, choose your primary keyword from your list and paste it into the tool's main field. The plugin will suggest a title and meta description draft. Make sure you check length hints and snippet preview as you go, because these drive what users actually see in search results. Once done with the first click, refine the machine draft to match intent and brand voice. You should shorten or extend the suggested title so it contains the keyword and stays under recommended length. Then craft the meta description to about 150-160 characters explaining benefit and action. Also check canonical tags and robots directives that the tool set for you. If the plugin offers structured data, enable it now to improve rich result chances. Make incremental edits and preview changes. Publish your updated meta and clear any caching layers so search engines see the change quickly. After publishing, validate the live URL preview and check the mobile snippet. Look for truncation or missing keywords. If the meta doesn't appear in search or the tool reverted changes, check for plugin conflicts, server caching, or CDN delays. Disable other SEO plugins temporarily and resave. Finally, rerun the one-click flow and confirm the snippet displays.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.